So now it has been proven that not only did the Prime Minister, or does the Prime Minister not have 28 bank accounts, as has been peddled mercilessly across every blade of grass in Jamaica and strip of concrete. Every single one of you owe Dennis Strong an apology. Those of you lazy journalists, wicked civil society actors, those of you slick political operatives dressed up as whatever you're dressed up as, who held up, oh, he endorsed the Prime Minister, he defended the Prime Minister's possession of 28 bank accounts. Therefore, he shouldn't be FID head. And oh, by the way, he doesn't have any experience, law enforcement experience. So those were the twin planks of the opposition. The vitriolic resistance to Dennis Strong on the basis that, in your words or in your minds, he sought to make an excuse for the Prime Minister having 28 bank accounts. So now that the 28 bank accounts lie has been damaged, people are climbed down from all boat. Yeah? Jump off of the high ass, broke them back, broke them foot. Oh, it was never about the 28 accounts, you know.